I am delighted, honored to have Adah Hetko with us. She's an extraordinary musician. Once she starts playing, you'll know it's a party for sure. She's a singer, a songwriter, a researcher, and teacher of Yiddish music. In addition to a sweet voice, she has a talent for making songs come alive and sound like they are now, like they are contemporary songs of and for us. So I'll let her introduce what she's going to sing herself. Here is Adah Hetko.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me as part of this party. It's really, really a pleasure to be part of this moment. This is an extremely cool moment. This book is out and it's beautiful. I know that a lot of this story takes place in the forest, and so I'm going to play a song that is my musical setting of the first 11 lines of the Abraham Sutzkever poem Valdix. And I just shared a link in the chat that will lead you to the lyrics if you want to follow along. But it describes all of these details of the beauty of being in a forest. So a großen Dank und Shkoyach, Allemen, congratulations, and here's my little piece of the party for you. In Trabens teutze Fall der Chäume von Gras und Blum, von Gras und Blum. Und wer es will kann sein, dass edle Spiel von Schwarz und Feier, von Bläu und Silber, rundherum auftritt, zerlegte schlafen Bäume, rundherum auftritt, schlafen Bäume, rundherum auftritt, zerlegte schlafen Bäume, rundherum auftritt, schlafen Bäume. Die Schottens wachsen in der Hecht, die Luft ist kiel, kiel und feucht. Wie trunken Wasser, die Schottens wachsen in der Hecht, die Luft ist kiel, kiel und feucht. Wie trunken Wasser. In drops of dew falls the essence of grass and flowers, and one who looks can see the gentle interplay of blue and silver, of black and fire, all around on the ground. Trees lay sleeping all around on the ground. Trees lay sleeping all around on the ground. Trees lay sleeping all around on the ground. Trees lay sleeping. The shadows grow up above. The air is cool, cool and soft, like dry water. The shadows grow up above. The air is cool, cool and soft, like dry water. Congratulations! So happy to be a part of this, and so happy to celebrate with you today.
Okay. Sorry, I was muted there. Thank you so much, Adah. That was spectacular. Thank you.